All right, hi everybody. Thanks for joining. I'm recording this video for everybody who missed the live stream. So basically, what I'm doing here is deciding the draft order for the 2018 draft, and we're using a double-blind approach where Jose wrote code in R, and I wrote code in VBA for Excel. And the code basically picks random numbers and assigns them to, in Jose's case, one of the names of the people in a league, and it picks an order between 1 and 10 for each one. Uh, this is set based on the seed number that was chosen this year by Garen, and he chose seed number 66. So when we move over to Excel to get the final results, because what you're seeing in the left here is his code, but it's not the final draft order. The final draft order will then use an index that is created in Excel, where basically I will give number 1 a new slot, and number 2 a new slot, and so on, so that we get our final draft order that way. And we use the same seed just because that way it'll be consistent and we'll know what we used year over year if we decide to continue using this code. So Jose's code is down to order number 7, and as soon as we're there, I'll move over to Excel and I'll show you the final draft order we received from the Excel portion that will run a lot quicker than the R portion, just because of the way it was coded. In this case, Jose coded it because he believed that his would be the final and he wanted to add suspense and not jump straight into the picks. When we move over to Excel, I have control over how quickly it goes, and because this is just a recording and you don't want to be sitting here forever, I will make it go relatively quickly with as little commentary as I need to add. So this is done, it's saved, and I'm going to run it here. So it's going to pull the draft order that we just got. So as you can see, Nick was 1 before, Kai was 5, I was last. I'm going to enter seed number 66. And I'll just make sure that that's not in front of my face. And we'll end up seeing first where Nick placed, then where Joe placed, and the final order will go there. So if you want to play with this, it is in the HMS 6 Google Drive. And so if you have R and Excel on your computer, R is a free program. You can repeat this using code number 66 for each one, and you'll get the same result. And you can try different codes just to make sure that the result would be different otherwise. So we see that Nick came in with the 4th overall, Jose with 6, Hannah with 5, Steve moves to the 3rd overall pick, Kyle drops to the 8th from the 5th, which he was so excited about. Gurdeep moves up to the 1st overall pick, Gavin gets 9 overall, Garen gets the 2nd overall, Scott gets the 10th, and that leaves me with the 7th overall pick. Thanks for watching and good luck on the season.